Welcome back to Emotional Mojo. Our next guest is a true mentor for those who have lost their partner and looking to discover new possibilities to improve their lives. She is the founder of Modern Widows Club. Welcome, Carolyn Moore.
Hi, welcome.
So, Carolyn, everything changed.
Yes.
On Valentine's Day 2000, you and your husband, Chad, were out to dinner, normal Valentine's Day, and what happened?
We got into an accident, and it ended with his death, severe head trauma from a car accident, being thrown from the vehicle, and it's changed my whole life.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Yeah.
But
so
in a
sorry.
positive way, too. There's a silver lining to this
But
story,
it wasn't
right?
at first, obviously. What did you
Right.
have to overcome? And you might want to speak up a little louder, too.
Well,
because
your life is completely unrecognizable, as it was before, and you have 2 children now to raise and a company to run, and so you need to connect with life in a completely different way.
How did you connect with life in a completely different way?
Well, I sought out mentors. I needed to see other people who had, who were an example of someone to follow, someone who I could trust and who was understanding the plight of what I was, enduring.
So speaking of mentors, you are my new mentor. So Carolyn is my new mentor. I'm 10 months into this journey as a widow. And so you have started this now national club, international club, the Modern Widows Club.
That's
and what I love about this club is that it's not just a group of women crying about losing their husbands.
No.
Oh, woe is me. It is a group of women that are empowered to move forward. And there's so many things, and I love what you say about widows, that we have, like, we're the busiest women on earth.
That's right.
And especially if you have children, because there is no, like, every other weekend someone has the kids.
No.
It's, you are doing this all the time. And tell people about what are some of the things that the club does.
Well, we meet once a month socially in a very relaxed environment, and we also have a magazine now that's online, so wherever our ladies are, they can be looking on their smartphones or on their iPads, and they can connect and they can get fast information, because they need to know, am I going to fix it? Am I going to put up with it? Or am I going to walk away from it? So I need to know that information
But how do
quickly.
you move from, you said when you're married you have one identity, then you lose your husband, you're now confused about your identity. How do you then go to, my new identity is a widow, and how long do you want to stay with that identity? How do you shift to a new identity?
Well, your new identity is you're a woman, and you need that. Feeling like a widow is actually more of a victim role, whereas being a woman is actually being empowered.
That's very powerful.
Yeah, you have a lot of skills and you have a lot of connections, and you got to find those and you got to plug into those.
Could you give me an example of that when you say find your connections, plug into those?
Well, for instance, your girlfriends don't even understand what this experience is anymore. And so when you come to Modern Widows Club for social hour, there's a lot of words you don't even have to go to. There's a lot of conversations that are understood.
Well, for example, last week at the meeting, we were talking about one woman her daughter was getting married, and it's like, who's going to walk her down the aisle? She asked me to walk her down the aisle, or she asked her brother to walk her down the aisle. How long do I wear my wedding ring? And look what I did with my wedding ring. I made it into this really cool necklace.
It's a support system.
And you talk about like traveling alone, or finances. Like I've been left with this huge mess of an estate, and how do I deal with this?
Yeah,
it's not a transformation.
In-laws, and now am I
Yeah.
really still part of the family, because I'm not officially part of the family anymore because he died? And what do I do? Like, I mean, there's all these issues that no one else understands.
So what is the overall lesson that you can give to a viewer at home who's saying, I've lost someone in my life too? What's your one biggest tip for that person?
The biggest challenge is not to keep yourself isolated. That is the natural response. It's about connecting and plugging back into life, and also finding people who are 2 steps ahead of you.
Yeah.
That's what widow mentoring is all about. It's about getting into a group where you actually can grow in a positive direction.
Thank you so much
Yeah,
for
thanks.
joining us.